and welcome back to Unlocked. Today we're taking a look at a product that makes multi-door access control installations simpler, faster and more efficient. This is the Haydon Universal Access Power Supply Unit, designed for installers who want to save time, reduce wiring complexity and streamline their setups. Let's get it unboxed and see why this PSU is a game changer for multi-door access control. Inside the box, we've got the Haydon access control housing itself, pre-drilled and ready for control PCB mounting, a switch mode power supply module, meaning stable voltage across different inputs, a programmable 8-way fuse distribution board for multiple door control, and a fitting pack with all the fixings needed to install access PCBs. Everything you need for a clean professional installation is included in the box. Right away, you can see that this unit is built with installers in mind. Instead of wiring up multiple single door controllers, you can fit up to 6 access control PCBs in this one unit. That means only one box on the wall, one power supply, one fuse spur, one data point, one battery. This saves you time, reduces wiring and gives your customer a cleaner, more efficient access control setup, as well as providing the installer with a more cost-effective solution. The Haydon Access Power Supply is designed to accept access control boards for the UK's most popular systems, and all the fittings and fixes required are supplied. The PSU itself is dual voltage 12 volts or 24 volts DC, selected via a simple toggle switch. At 12 volts it supplies 8 amps of power, while at 24 volts it's 4 amps. It has a battery backup facility that supports either a 12 volt or 24 volt operation. This unit isn't just about power, it's smart too. The 8-way programmable fuse distribution board allows for individual circuit protection, so if one door experiences a fault, it won't take down the whole system. And it's fire alarm compatible. If connected to a fire system, the distribution board can be programmed to automatically deactivate specific locks in case of an emergency. This is an essential feature for safety compliance. This PSU uses switch mode power supply technology, which makes it far more efficient than traditional linear power supplies. It delivers a stable voltage regardless of fluctuations in the main supply. It runs cooler, reducing wear and tear, and it's energy efficient, lowering long-term running costs. For installers, that means fewer callbacks and a reliable system that just works. To wrap it up, the Haydon Access PSU is all about efficiency and ease of installation. It supports multiple door controllers in one enclosure, 8 amp power output at 12 volts, fire alarm integration for emergency unlocking, battery backup for continued operation during power cuts. It's designed to be used with popular UK access control brands. This product will save you time on site, reduce components and simplify your installations, meaning more jobs completed with less hassle and more happy customers. Want to get your hands on one? Head over to www.aldridgesecurity.co.uk and order yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more unboxings, reviews and security insights here on Unlocked. See you next time.